Save this recipe for your spring and summer salads. I love this honey mustard dressing on salads like this, where there's fresh greens and beautiful berries and fresh herbs. Oh. To make this dressing, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 tablespoon of honey. If you coat your spoon with a little bit of oil and then add your honey, that honey is going to slide right off. Oh, beautiful. See that? The same is true when we add our emulsifiers. So I'm just coating it with oil and then getting my Dijon, half a teaspoon, and it slides right off. Beautiful. Teaspoon fresh dill. Chop it nice and small to really release all the flavor. If you don't have fresh, use dried. Use 1/4 to a half teaspoon instead of the full teaspoon that we're using of fresh. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Lid on and give it a shake. Our emulsifier this time is both the Dijon and the honey. They should give that a nice creamy texture. Oh, look at that. That is perfect. That honey, lemon, and dill is going to go so well with this salad. I can't wait. But I will wait because I want to keep these tender greens as crisp as possible. So I'm not going to dress this until just before dinner time.